This is more information about the Arcadia Mill. It's in operation from 1817 to 1855, but I would say it was pretty much ahead of its time. We'll take a little walk down the boardwalk. Beautiful day today. Since sunny Florida has had nothing but rain for the last while, as is everywhere else in the southeast. So now it's time to make a decision, right or left. Let's go right. I'm just enjoying the walk along here. Enjoying that wonderful sunshine. Let's see what we have here. Actually, I'm not seeing too much at this point in time, but I sure am enjoying the walk. Wow, we have some more information. Let's see what we have here. Wound treatment by the Civil War. Confederate penicillin. Oh, we have another one. Let's see what it says. To tell you the truth, I'm not seeing much in the swamp as far as the remains. But anyway, it's a nice walk. Let's see what this says. Oh, the beautiful magnolias. I can certainly tell you, it smells like a swamp. I did find the remnants of the foundation of the second sawmill. I knew if I looked hard enough, I'd find something. We have to give the ferns their turn. I'm back to the right or left. Now we'll go left. And we have more boardwalk. In here we have the lifeline to the whole thing, Pond Creek. Without the creek, there would have not been an Arcadia Mill. You know, that was some hard work. Well, I'm coming up on the end of the boardwalk, and I'm not going on the trails because of all the water that we've had. So I'll end it here for this part of it, and we'll check out the museum. A water wheel, sawing lumber. I've seen a water wheel grind the grain, but never cut the lumber. Pretty interesting. The old rail car. And the ox cart. Those wheels are pretty big. They're way taller than I am, but of course I'm short. This is a very interesting piece of information to me. Move a little closer. Can you guess what it is? I thought this was really interesting. the silk. And that's the root system that'll get you if you don't watch where you're going.